Hi. Uh, Today let's just do a chat assistant using a document. So what I'm going to do here is I have a camera file here. I'm going to use this camera file. It's a manual. So load this manual and do queries on this document using we will use a Pinecone. Okay. So to you, it's a very useful what to say tools actually. So what we are going to do initially first, what do we need to do? We need to install the libraries. Okay, we need to install the libraries. So first we need to use pip install Pinecone. Then we need to install the plugin for chat assistant. Install Pinecone plugin. Pinecone plugin assistant. So I write down the steps first. So in the second step, what do we need to do? We need to create an API for this API for Pinecone, and then we need to use this API in our application. Get Pinecone API. For this you need to for this you need to go to this Pinecone website. Go to https. So you will have, I'll just copy the link. So you should copy this and then you can sign up and then create an API. Okay, then number two, create an account and an API. Okay, fine. This is for step 2. Step 3, what do we do? In the step 3, create an chat assistant object. So this is number C. So once you have created the assistant, so what we do in the number D, we will load this document, the camera document. Load the camera document for assistant. Okay, once you load, you can use number E. You can chat with the assistant. Okay, that's all. So I have already installed these two libraries. You can add these two libraries, so you can install yourself. Then after that we need to, for the after you install, let's save this file first. So I go here, so what I'll do is I have my API here. I'll copy my API and then I already have the API here, so files here. On, load the app. We need to run the API file. Okay. Come on. I don't want to expose my API, so I have loaded and I have ran the API file, so I can use the API now here in my code. So we just import it, import that file, import API, and then we can API key. What is the API key? I'm going to load from this file. There are two, so we use the assistant one. Okay, so once you have this Pinecone, you can initialize the object. So before that you need to import the library again. Import Pinecone as from, it should be from Pinecone import okay, then use this to create, to initialize Pinecone. So you need to have API key, API key equal to, we got it from here. So this is the Pinecone object you initialize with your API F9. No module Pinecone, we missing here. Let's run this again. Yeah, it's done. So we have created the Pinecone, initiated the Pinecone. Okay, then what do we need to do? We need to create the assistant. So for this also we need to import the this we after installing this plugin, we need to use the library from this plugin. Okay, so what is the, oh no, we don't need a plugin yet. We can use the Pinecone. Plugin is during the message. PC dot assistant. We are going to create assistant. Dot create an assistant. So here we need to specify the name of the assistant. Okay, so the name assistant, so maybe we name it as a camera assistant. And then so just give a task. What is the task of the assistant? Okay. So we just give some name. Okay, answer queries QUV related to cameras. Okay, so we use this here. What is your assistant name? Assistant name equal to name of the assistant, and what is the task or the instructions? Str use instructions. equal to use this, and then we need to specify the timeout. Timeout we give 30 seconds. Okay, this we created. Let's execute this. F9. Oh, assistant got an unexpected assist a spelling mistake. Yeah, F9. It's executing. Yeah, completed. So now we load the camera documents. We've initialized the Pinecone, and we have created the assistant, and now we will load the document file. Okay, so here response document, I create a name, so we're going to load this in this assistant. So we're going to load this document. Okay, load the document we are going to use. You need to use upload file. So here you need to specify the file path. File path equal to, I have just put it in this directory. And this directory, this camera file assistant. Okay, this file, we copy this, close, just give this part. Then here we also give the timeout. Let's just give none, so let it wait for infinite. So we have the response. Okay, execute this, then running. You need to wait. Let it complete. In the meantime, we can continue the code. Hope it's loading. So now we need to let it complete. So now we need to chat with the assistant. For this, we need to import the library. So from Pinecone plugin, and from Pinecone plugin, AGI plugin, then assistant, plugin assistant dot, we need to have a models, then from the chat we just import message. Using this we are going to create a message. Okay, so now loading is complete here. So we will create a message, chat message or chat queries. In this we will use this message to create our message. Okay, so the role, what is the role? We just use as a user. Okay, user. And what is the content? Message content. So we give a simple example, like say what is the trigger of a camera. We query trigger of a camera. Okay, queries. So we have this message, role and content, and then we're going to use this in the chat assistant. Okay, so we reply, we will use this chat assistant to query our message, and chat messages equal to, we just need to specify, we just need to add our queries here. So that's it. So when you reply, it will be, it will have some more text, okay, which is not that important. So we will just filter that. Okay, we will just print only the message. It may contains the ID also. Okay, ID of the so here from reply we're going to display only the message. Okay, and let's see how is it. Run this F9. Pinecone dot plugin missing here again. F9. See, content in the context of machine vision image processing activity is an event that initiates an action such as the start of a new line or the frame acquisition. Okay, so it responds. Okay, now we change this to how do how to set the camera, how to set the say AOI of the camera, AOI of the camera. Execute the same thing again. F9. Taking some time. Yeah, so yeah, they give a reply to set the AO. They give a detailed explanation of what is AOI also. Area of interest of the camera, you need to define the region of the interest, ROI parameters, which include X offset, offset X, width, offset Y, height. The parameters allow you to select a smaller subset. So in short, it pull ups all the things which is related to the AOI of the camera. Okay, so that's all. We can integrate this into any application. Okay, so at the end, the last one is missing actually. So after you're done, make sure you delete your indexes. So this index will be hosting in your cloud. Okay, in the cloud. So it will be there in your what to say, in your user domain or user project which you set in, which will be in your Pinecone account. Okay, so you need to delete the so F F delete the index. So you can do pc dot assistant, or I need to write outside this pc dot ss dot delete assistant, then assistant name. What is the name you have given here? This is name of the assistant, name is this is camera assistant, so you can use this. Delete. Okay, so that's it. We just execute this code. Yeah, just delete it. That's all. Thank you.